Hi children, today we're going to make a dragon ship. Are you ready? First, ask Mummy or Daddy to print out the worksheet. If you don't have a printer, don't worry. You can draw the shapes yourself on a piece of paper, on cardboard, or on a newspaper. Now you need a pair of scissors, possibly small and with round tips. Cut out the shapes. Now, after watching the video, we can try to put it together. There you are! We have a dragon ship. Now you are free to decorate it however you want. I'm going to use some ordinary paint. Bye bye!